In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the HSN code in Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a comprehensive online accounting tool that helps businesses manage their finances more efficiently. One aspect of maintaining accurate financial records in Zoho Books involves ensuring that each item has the correct HSN, or Harmonized System of Nomenclature code. This code is crucial for taxation and compliance purposes, especially if your business deals with goods and services subject to GST. Now, let's dive into the process. First, you need to log in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, the dashboard will be your starting point. From here, you'll want to navigate to the left sidebar, where you'll see a variety of options for managing your financial records. Click on the Sales tab. This section is where all your sales items are managed, and you can update their details as necessary. After clicking on Sales, you'll need to find the specific item whose HSN code you need to update. This requires you to locate the item in your list of sales items. You can either scroll through the list or use the search function to find it quickly. Once you've found the item, open it up. This will take you to a detailed view of the item's information where you can make necessary changes. Now, within the item's details, you need to locate the field labeled HSN/SAC code. This field is specifically meant for entering or editing the HSN code associated with the item. If you're unfamiliar with what an HSN code is, it's essentially a standardized code used internationally for classifying goods, which simplifies the process of taxation and compliance across different countries. SAC, on the other hand, stands for Services Accounting Code and is used for services. After locating the HSN/SAC code field, you can click into it to make your changes. Enter the correct HSN code for your item. Make sure to double-check this code to ensure accuracy, as an incorrect code can lead to compliance issues or incorrect tax calculations later on. Once you've entered the correct HSN code, you should save your changes. There is usually a Save or Update button available for confirming your changes, so be sure to click it to finalize the update. And that's it! You've successfully updated the HSN code for an item in Zoho Books. Remember, keeping your HSN codes accurate is crucial for ensuring your business remains compliant with tax regulations. It also helps in generating precise reports and maintaining a seamless workflow within Zoho Books. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, Zoho offers extensive support resources and customer service to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Zoho Books account more efficiently.